Hello YouTube, this is Python Cheese here again today, and I'm betting why you're wondering why you're seeing the disassembled speakers here. They're actually computer speakers. Well, my neighbor was having a garage sale, and he said $1 for them, and I was like, heck, I could use those. I've been looking for a small amplifier for my handheld, my Ps2 handheld. I may install it into it, and he said he'd sell it to me for $1, and I bought them, and basically don't need those, and I don't need those. Those speakers are way too big. So I got a 9-volt battery just to test it. Hooked up some wires to this part of the power supply, and then hooks up like this, and bam, there you go. There's the power supply right there. I soldered those old headphones that I made. I don't know, I can't remember if I have a video on it or not, but those headphones that I made from Radio Shack or whatever, I got rid of those. I cut them off because I never used them like I thought I was going to, but and I took the, as you can tell, I cut off the wires and then added my own wires here, and then hooked them up to the speakers themselves. You get your, try to remember, yeah, this is the right one, and then this is the left one. So you got your right and left. Just a little 9-volt. The power adapter was 9 volts also, so. And I got it hooked up to my Ps2, as you can tell. And I'm just going to show you a little demonstration on it. One second, let it load. And the little toggle switch, it just twists right here, this thing, and that's your button. The LED turns on. Just go ahead and get it to the main menu because that's where the music is. Give me 1 second. Just waiting for it. Alright, there we go. Alright, now watch. Alright, it's no sound right now because I got it turned down all the way. These are the speakers I soldered and just hot glued them right here. They're pretty loud though. Earlier they weren't real loud. I wasn't getting a good enough connection, that's why. But the cord it came with, I shortened down the cable, as you can tell. Just put some electrical tape over it. When I soldered the wires together, you got your ground, your right audio, and your left audio. I've said it in my other videos, and then hook that up after I snapped off about probably like 5 feet, good 4 or 5 feet of cable, and then cut down the size. I'll probably be putting this into the handheld and having a headphone jack or speakers. And yeah, it's really small. It's about 2.5 length from here by, I think it was 2.25, and about 1.25 inches, I believe, or 1.5 inches. It's not very tall at all. But yeah, that's the amplifier. So that's that. So thank you guys for watching this little custom thing I made. I got it from this size. As you can tell, it's pretty bulky. compared to that. And those speakers are way too big for a handheld. So went with those, and they work pretty great. Thank you guys again. I'll see you guys later. Please like and subscribe also. And leave a comment down below if you liked it.